लेफ्ट साइड का जो ब्रेक है ये ब्रेक लगता है एंड दैट इज़ ऑन द फ्रंट साइड, बट दिस इज़ द रियर ब्रेक और रियर ब्रेक एज यू कैन सी नो इफेक्ट्स। यहाँ पे मैं दबा के भी आराम से साइकिल। Hello amazing people, thanks for tuning into my channel. This is your host Achishman and it's basically the second take because इसके पहले वाला जितना भी take था पूरा time lapse में चला गया. Anyways, 3 weeks passed my opening of the cast because the last video you saw opening of the cast, right? So 3 weeks already passed between that and this video, and I tried to ride my bike yesterday and day before yesterday because I was allowed to ride my bike only after 3 to 4 weeks. So I gave a trial run. But the only issue is my hand is not that functional right now. I can rotate only up to this much and a slight pain on the muscles are still there, stiffness is there. So now the issue with my bike is from last 1 year or so I had only the front brakes. बीच में lockdown हो गया and I did not have the reason to install the rear brakes yet because rear brakes was a bit damaged about 1 year ago and I did not change them. I was only using the front brakes and the front brake levers are on the left hand side. The left hand is not that functional or I was feeling a bit unsafe riding them because instant braking नहीं हो पा रहा था मेरे बाइक में. Today in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to Benting Street, the bicycle market of Kolkata, जहाँ पे most of the bicycle shops है, not the premium ones but the general ones, starting from the 3-4,000 का दूध वाला bike to track and trail and all. तो वहाँ पे all kinds of things are available on wholesale prices and cheaper rates. I'm going there to get my brake calipers for my rear brakes. अभी हाल फिलहाल weather देख के लग रहा है बारिश होने वाला है and there was also a weather update on the phone that there might be rain around 12:30 to 1 and अभी now the time is 1 o'clock exactly and I should start really soon ताकि मैं रास्ते में फंस ना जाऊँ. Another thing what is happening is मेरा जो mask है it has got loose from here, the strings has got loose and it is falling down like this. So first thing I have to do is get a proper mask because जहाँ पे हम लोग जा रहे हैं that is a very crowded area and so I'll go to a medical shop and get the mask first. Okay, तो mask तो मिल गया. So let's continue our journey to Benting Street. If I want to explain you what is going on with my brakes, left side का जो brake है ये brake लगता है and that is on the front side, but this is the rear brake और rear brake as you can see no effects. यहाँ पे मैं दबा के भी आराम से साइकिल चला सकता हूँ. So this is the CESC building, the electricity provider of Kolkata city, and this is the income tax department building. And यहाँ से सीधा जाएंगे तो we'll reach Benting Street. So what you have to do is take the left lane from the CESC building. We can see Hero Sprint का showroom over here, and all through this lane you will see all types of bicycle shops. Small range and mid range bikes starting from Firefox, Hero, Unirox, every kind of it. You won't be finding the premium segment of bikes like road bikes and high end bikes over here. ये है crossing, signal is green but the people will be coming as usual because civic sense zero. So this is the Benting Street, the cycle market of Kolkata. So there you can see the track and trail. I have taken this motor up from here, faced a lot of issues. I must not say it on the camera, but yeah, I faced the issues. They are not very good in doing their business. So what I have to do is take a right turn from here to reach the shop. I hope I'm taking the correct turn. Yeah. You can see over there. So the second shop from here is that shop. And these are all the wholesale markets. You'll get the tires, tubes, and all kinds of things in wholesale rates, as they can sell it in the single pieces also, but they mostly sell in wholesale. So this is the shop, Ganpati Traders. यहाँ पे आपको everything, you'll get everything from chain to cogs to brake levers वगैरह सब मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे. You will even get the chain braking tool like this one. And मेरे brakes का तो काम हो गया, but that Ganpati Traders store does not have any tires. They have only kind of accessories and bike parts, but they don't have the tires. So for the tires, I have come to this Malik and Son Cycle Parts. It's quite a famous shop for the low cost tires and all the accessories of the bikes. So let's head there, and I got to get some Ralston tubes for one of my friends. इसके बाजू से जितना भी स्टोर से you will get all kind of tire tubes. You can see Ralston tires over there. And उसके opposite में, just opposite में है Track and Trails. Track and Trails के बाजू में all the other bike shops. So the whole street you see behind me is the Benting Street. और यहाँ पे left side में you can see the Track and Trail and all the other bicycle shops. यहाँ पे Unirox का भी store है. And after this AC Mohammed store, I think this is some kind of electronic store. Quite old building though. इसके बाद से पूरा bicycle का market शुरू हो जाता है. And if you see, यहाँ पे ऐसा गली भी मिलेगा. And inside those gullies there are wholesale markets. जितना भी है wholesale का market आता है. And I'm holding this camera a bit close to me because जगह कम है and माइक ऑलरेडी मास्क है एंड ऑडियो आएगा नहीं, पीछे बहुत कचरा ऑडियो है. सो आई हैड 2 वर्क्स इन बेंटिंग स्ट्रीट. नंबर 1 टू गेट माई ब्रेक कैलिपर फॉर माई मोंट्रा. द सेकेंड वन इज़ टू गेट MTB ट्यूब्स फॉर वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड. सो बोथ काम हो गया है. ट्रैफिक का तो कंडीशन आप देख ही रहे. आई विल मीट यू वंस आई रीच होम. ऑन द लेफ्ट आई हैव द CESC बिल्डिंग, और ये राइट में कुछ तो बहुत पुराना सा बिल्डिंग है. दिस इज़ द CESC बिल्डिंग. यू कैन सी when you are coming to Benting Street, you will be finding this one on the right side, and that is the Tipu Sultan Mosque, the historic mosque by Tipu Sultan. Okay, so I'll take a U-turn from there. All walking around and all. Both sides में tram lanes है. It gets a bit sketchy, and you can see these buses racing with themselves. Hi Kolkata. Finally. एक तो वहाँ पे ट्रैम के लेन्स थे. ट्रैम लाइन्स के ऊपर से और ट्रैफिक भी एक्यूमुलेट हो गया था. इट गेट्स रियली स्केची राइडिंग माई बाइक ओवर देयर. एंड earlier I used to have 1.5 inch thickness of tires, but now I have this 28C tires, so it gets much more difficult to ride on the tram lines. And here I can see tram lines have become the permanent parking spots. You can see over there. haha ट्रैम यहाँ पे शायद से ये लाइन में बंद हो चुका है. पीछे में लेफ्ट हो गया था. तो दिस थिंग हैव बिकम अ परमानेंट पार्किंग स्पॉट. बट ऑल्सो द PWD has made the road only till here, so that thing became a dedicated parking place. Nice. साइकिल लेन ही बना देते हैं यार वहाँ पे. Anyways, we'll get back to that later. Let's continue till home. This needs another content. And I was thinking of putting up random videos of me commuting like this and capturing people's stupidity on the road. So back home, and that was it for the day. It was a pretty hectic to ride on the traffic, as you have seen. I hope you guys enjoyed the traffic scene of Kolkata and how it feels like commuting in the city. And I have got this exact brake calipers for my rear brakes on the Montra. And yeah, so let me open it up. So yeah, this is it. This is the brake. I guess this is some generic brake. The brand here is called something Sprandam, but it was a little bit better than what brakes I have right now on the bike. So yeah, generic hai to kya hua? If it works, it works. I will tell you on the camera on my next rides how this brake works, somewhere in the between. So never skip my videos. I will give feedback of this brakes and whatever I buy from the local markets as well as from the premium stores. So now the next step is get this thing fixed on the bike, for which I have to go to a bike shop. I'll go to a better bike shop than the Benting Street. So stay tuned for the next video. Most probably tomorrow I'll be going to the bike shop to get this one fixed. Anyways, with that said, I hope you like the video. Like it, to you know the drill. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and do comment how you feel on the comment section down below, because comments will make me feel happy and will encourage me to make more videos like this. Anyways, if you want anything to change, if you want any improvements on the video, if you don't like anything, give me the suggestion in the comment box. I will try my best to make the content much better from now on. With that said, subscribe to the channel, and I'll end the video over here with our regular message. हंसते रहो, हंसाते रहो, जा भी रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो. Goodbye, take care.